Let's turn now to Credit Suisse, another big bank. This is fascinating. There's a story out in the Bloomberg today that they have this fellow called Mike Stewart, who came over actually from UBS, and he's now decided he's going to really take their equities trading up to be a really top 5 competitor. I don't normally think of Credit Suisse as a big player in equities trading, and it's interesting, Tidjane Thiam, when he's been talking about redoing the company, hasn't hit this really hard.
Yeah, it's interesting, Dave. One of the things that struck me about this story is we've been talking for the last several months about how, the financials have really seemed to come out of the financial crisis and stabilize somewhat. The banks have really kind of reconciled a lot on their balance sheet and in terms of fines. So it's going to be interesting to see where banks decide they're going to go full throttle. And it seems like Credit Suisse is one of those that's decided we're going to pick prime brokerage equities as our place we're going to ramp up.
Why do you think they think that's an opportunity, that that's something that they can compete in and they can win?
I think it's the volatility that they expect to come back. A lot of, we've seen it.
Which seems to be coming back. Yes. That was a good call.
That bet seems to have gone well so far. So I think that they're really betting on volatility coming back, and therefore there being a lot more churn and trading revenue that comes off of that.
Well, I was going to say also volatility, but also are banks looking to take on more risk? I mean, I know that this is Credit Suisse, but in particular in the U.S., as you have any kind of regulation rollback, subsidiaries here, are they able then to handle more?
Well, because the administration basically is sending a message. Intentionally,
do it.
Take more risk.
Even if you don't you just won't enforce any sort of ring fencing there.
So maybe it's the time to go into it.
Yeah.